we make it happen. Guess we believe it. Look who we are. We are the dreamers. We make it happen. Cause we can see it. Let's do the one that keep the passion. Respect. Oh yeah. Let's do the one that can imagine. Respect. Oh yeah.
Come on, students, rock it! Come on!
Leaders, stand at ease. Leaders, attention. Leaders, stand at ease. Leaders, attention. Leaders, mark time, march.
Head boy, fastest stand alone.
Leaders, mark time, march. Forward, march, forward, march.
Next we have captain and the vice captain of the Sangha Blue House. Master Ram Rohit and Mr. Chaudhary.
to respected principal ma'am, teachers, esteemed guests, parents, and my dear friends. It is with immense pride and gratitude that I, Daksh Haresh Jadhav, stand before you today as the head boy of this esteemed institution. This moment is not just a personal achievement, it is a responsibility, a commitment, and most importantly, a trust that I will strive every day to uphold. As I begin this journey as the head boy, I would like to thank our principal ma'am and the faculty for believing in me and for seeing in me the potential to lead and for giving me this opportunity to serve the school. I also thank my peers who have constantly supported me and encouraged me throughout this journey. This badge I wear today is not just a symbol of authority, but a reminder that leadership is about service, about lifting others, and about standing up for what is right even when it's not easy. It means a big role model not just in the classroom but in character, conduct, and compassion. As we begin this new chapter, I promise to lead with honesty and courage. Let us all work together to uphold the values and spirit of our school and to leave behind a legacy that makes the coming years proud. Thank you once again for this honor. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning, one and all present here. I am Shubhavi Nayak from grade 10, also known as your head girl. Standing here as a head girl, I am not only proud but also overwhelmed. From sitting in the audience and looking at the leaders as a kid to holding the same position as them, it has been a great journey. For me, this is not just a badge or a sash, but it is a symbol of trust that all you have bestowed upon me. And for that, I want to thank each and every one of you, including Principal Ma'am, our supervisor, teachers, and all my fellow schoolmates. So today, I take an oath that I will ensure that I carry out all of my duties efficiently and make sure that I use the best of my ability for the betterment of the school and also for the development of every student as an individual. And to all my other leaders, let's work together in unity and strive for the betterment of the school. Thank you all once again. May your day shine as bright as the glory of our school. Thank you.
I would like to invite parents of head boy and the head girl to speak a few words on this special day.
Blessed morning to the respected principal madam, Mayor sir, good morning. Okay, all respected teachers, support staff, our fellow parents and dear students. As a parent, today is an incredibly emotional and proud moment for me. Seeing my son, Daksh Jadhav, stands here as the head boy, it's not just a personal joy. It's the fulfillment of a dream that began in his early school days. A dream nurtured not just by us at home, but every teacher who guided, supported, and believed in him. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to the school and the entire faculty. Your encouragement, constant support, and guidance have shaped not just his academic path, but his character and confidence as well. This badge on his chest today belongs as much as to you all as it does to him. Thank you for being a part of his journey of 12 years in this school, and thank you for turning a child's dream into the beautiful reality. Thank you once again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning all. I am Paresh Naik, father of Shubhavi. So today is a pride moment for me as a parent, not only for me, for mother. As a parent, I am very proud that today the management has invited us for this great event for investor ceremony. Speaking about my child, she's a very shy girl. She doesn't open up, not even in school, even also at home she doesn't open up. So right from nursery she is there in SC International School, and now she is grown up, and it is a very pride that she has taken the responsibility of head girl. I would like to thank all the students who has voted her and given the responsibility of becoming a head girl. and representing the school as a face. I congratulate her for being head girl of this organization, and also I would like to congratulate all others who have taken this batch and I personally feel that they will fulfill all the responsibilities for whatever the batch they had been honored for. Thank you.
All teachers, all staff, everyone. आज नर्सरी से लेके 9वीं तक मेरे बच्चे 11 साल वाला स्कूल में पढ़ रहा है। जो यहाँ पे उसको पढ़ाई से लेके स्पोर्ट्स और हर कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट जो मिला है उसको, ये और कहीं नहीं हो सकता तो यहाँ उसको मिला है। मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था मेरा बच्चा यहाँ मैं डालूंगा और यहाँ पे इतना आगे बढ़ेगा। टचवुड ये जो स्टाफ और ये स्कूल ने जो उसको सपोर्ट किया है, सराहना की है, उसको जो यहाँ पे एजुकेशन मिला है उससे भी बहुत प्रेरित हुआ और यही चाहता हूँ मेरा बच्चा और भी यहाँ पे आगे बढ़े और भी बच्चे आगे बढ़े, स्कूल का नाम रोशन करे, यही चाहता हूँ। थैंक यू।
Good morning, Principal Madam, teachers, parents, elected leaders and dear students. आज का दिन बहुत महत्व का दिन है। लीडर्स जो नाउ आपके फ्रेंड्स ने आपके ऊपर भरोसा किया है, विश्वास किया है, आपको वो निभाना है। ये साल में स्कूल का नाम आगे ला के रोशन करना है। आपकी जिम्मेदारी बढ़ गई है। आप बिल्कुल स्टूडेंट्स नहीं बल्कि लीडर्स बन गए हो। बैच के साथ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी आई है, वो निभाना है, तो ध्यान रखो। पेरेंट्स, आपका साथ बहुत जरूरी है। पूरा साल आप अपने बच्चों को कैसे प्रोत्साहित करें तो वो अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभा पाएगा। हम स्कूल में माय प्रिंसिपल एंड टीचर्स मार्क्स लाने के लिए नहीं सिखाते हैं। हमारा सोच है कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लर्निंग है। आपको पैसा न आवे और फर्स्ट क्लास आवे तो अच्छा लगेगा कि पैसा कमावे और मर्सिडीज लावे? पेरेंट्स क्या चाहते हो आप? तो आपको हमारा जूली मैडम को प्रोत्साहित करना पड़ेगा। उन्होंने मेरे पीछे पड़ के फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी चालू करवाया। मैं बोला मैडम ये तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट है। मैंने आपको करना ही पड़ेगा। तो अभी आपको मैडम को साथ देना है। और इसके साथ वो जो अभी AI जो हम सुन रहे हैं मार्केट में, तो वो भी हमने चालू किया है। इस पिछले साल 2-3 साल से हम कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्रामिंग बच्चों को सिखाते थे, उसमें वो लोग को ग्रिप आ गया है। सो नाउ दिस ईयर वी हैव इंट्रोड्यूस्ड AI सब्जेक्ट आल्सो, सो they will get confidence in coming years. आपको कभी सरकारी दफ्तर में जाते हो तो आपका काम हो जाता है कि 2-4 धक्का होता ही है ना? नक्की 6 से 12 महीना के अंदर मेरा प्रिडिक्शन है कि ये सब सरकारी नौकरी जाएगी, दे विल लूज द जॉब और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस वो काम कर देगा। आप जो भी काम मशीन करेगा उस पर भरोसा करो कि आदमी करे तो भरोसा करो। देखो आपकी भी सोच में फर्क आ गया। एक जमाना था कि हम मशीन पर भरोसा नहीं करते थे कि लग जाएगा। आज हम मशीन पर ज्यादा इंसान पर भरोसा नहीं। तो ये अभी नेक्स्ट डिकेड सर्वाइवल फॉर फिटेस्ट, और आप एक साल में देखोगे कि जो भी नॉन प्रोडक्टिव, आई कॉल देम NPA है, और सबकी जॉब चली जाएगी. सो आइदर यू फिट टू सर्वाइव, परफॉर्म और पेरिश. आपका साथ बहुत जरूरी है. मेरा सपना है कि 2031 तक ये जो स्किल डेवलपमेंट है, we will extend it to 100 more centers from our school. We will initiate that all the schools will also develop skill development. क्योंकि अभी मार्क्स लाने से आपको कुछ मिलने वाला नहीं है, ये समझ के रखो. स्टूडेंट्स काउंसिल, इलेक्टेड स्टूडेंट्स, आपके मित्रों ने आप पे भरोसा किया है, निभाओगे? हाँ बोलो. वेरी गुड. स्कूल का नाम रोशन करोगे? वेरी गुड. मैं आपके साथ हूँ, टीचर्स आपके साथ है. कभी कुछ भी तकलीफ हो, मैडम के पास जाओ, सॉल्यूशन निकलेगा.
Good morning to one and all gathered here. I am Priya Chawla, a student of grade 9, and it is both an honor and privilege to stand here and deliver vote of thanks on this momentous occasion of our investiture ceremony. First and foremost, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to our dedicated and respected Mahesh sir, Niti ma'am, Julie ma'am, and teachers. Your unwavering commitment, tireless effort, and inspirational guidance have not only enriched our minds but have also shaped our character. It is because of your mentorship and faith in us that we stand here today, ready to embrace leadership with purpose and conviction. Thank you for nurturing in us the courage to lead and the wisdom to serve. To our ever supportive parents and guardians, your presence in our lives is our greatest strength. Your boundless encouragement, patience, and belief in our potential have laid the foundation for every step we take. Your role, often silent and behind the scenes, is one of immense impact. Thank you for being our guiding light and our unfailing source of motivation. To my fellow student leaders, congratulations on this well-deserved recognition. Today, we are not just given titles, but entrusted with responsibility. Let us wear these badges not with pride alone, but with a deep sense of commitment and humility. May we lead with integrity, inspire through action, and always uphold the values we represent. Let this day not be the end, but the beginning, a beginning of a journey guided by service, responsibility, and excellence. Thank you, and may we all continue to strive together towards a future that is brighter, united, and full of promise. Thank you.